Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you're going to be decorating with me. We're going to decorate this area in my backyard. I wanted to make it really nice for the holidays. I found this beautiful patio set from UMax Furniture. Thank you so much for sending it over for me to review it and also share with you guys. I'm going to show you how we built it, also how we styled it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, everything will be listed down below in the description box. So if you are interested, check the description down below. It took us 3 hours to build the patio set. The kids were helping as well, which it made it easier, and at the same time, it slowed us a little bit down. But we were spending quality time, which is great. What I liked about this patio set is that the coffee table was a storage unit. Also, the end table that you guys will see, you can also store the pillows for the patio set. The cushions, they can go there when you're not using them. That way they don't get destroyed. I thought that was perfect, super clever. You're getting a lot for your money. By the time we finished building the patio set, honestly, it got dark. But I still filmed so that you guys can see how it looks at night. And I added this rug. I already had it in the garage, which is perfect. Here you can see how it looks at night. Super pretty. We kept it very neutral. And the colors are perfect for fall, perfect for the holidays. I can always exchange the pillows, put something more festive, and it's good to go. Here you can see how it looks during the day. I am obsessed with this little area. Look at that coffee table, the side table, and again, they're both storage, which is perfect. That's where I will be placing all the pillows. I'm not using them, that way they don't get destroyed by the sun or get any dust on them. As you can see, this is a 6-piece set. You get 2 single chairs, 1 sofa, and 1 love seat, which is perfect on top of the coffee table and the side table. It is really sturdy and it matches perfectly with my canopy. If you like hosting, this is definitely the patio set to have. It is big enough for a lot of people and it's comfortable. You can always move the chairs around. You can also order 2 sets and make this bigger if you have a bigger area or you like hosting for a lot of people. But I highly recommend it. It is really nice. What I love the most was the storage area. I am obsessed with that. The next day after we built this area, my cousin and my friend came over to visit us, which it was perfect to share this little area with them. They loved it. We had some quality time, family time, friend time. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you, UMax Furniture, for sending over this beautiful set. If you guys are interested, check the description down below. Everything will be linked down there. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all on my next one.